Hi everyone, my name is Augustina. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Today I want to talk about wife and outside chick. You get this video. When I see the video, I not even like her. What I want talk put for inside be say the woman when they marry put for house, that woman no, you not try. You're not supposed to go fight that girl for supermarket. If you not say a husband they chase another woman, he's supposed to call a husband, say, honey, come oh, honey, this thing when you they do so, e good. Wetin I do you? If I do you bad thing, let me know. No be say I don't know wetin you dey do. You talk to your husband like 2 times, here. Just calm, not talk anything again. If he come back for house, serve her food, serve her water, make he take bath. If he carry back, come back for work, carry the bag. Just dey do like say you don't know anything. Say in conscience go judge and say, wetin I dey do this woman so e good. If you dey go dey eat okra for outside again, you go say no, I no eat this okra. Ma come back to house. This woman as e take dey treat me now, e come good oh. I no know say this woman good like this. If you know dey wear better thing, sexy thing, try to dey put on better sexy thing. No dey tie only wrapper. That one, dey, sexy, dey attractive. One day, in conscience go judge her. You will come realize, say, as this woman dey do now, this woman can't change, finish oh. You don't change oh. You no come dey behave as you take dey behave before. This thing when I dey do this woman so, e good. If you dey go dey chop okra again, you go say no, that okra, I no chop that okra. Okra when they outside and the one when they inside, now the same okra, different, not the okra. According to wetin you talk, you say the man not dey keep money for food. Even if say the man not dey keep money for food for your table again, find money, cook for her. You will not say, where this woman for dey see this money? Cook for her better soup, you go chop the soup again. One day you go say, no, this thing I no try am again. The man will come back to house. And if you know they put on sexy thing, they try to they put on sexy thing, not be tie wrapper. Your husband go there house, you tie wrapper. No, make sense. You put on, you guard well. You understand what they talk so. The man go say, hi, let me get this thing. No. Nothing go make me go outside again. Never. If the man even there, if the man go outside, go they use you till the boss say, if you see my wife, my wife na nyongina. You go see and you go, they wear bunch short. They do this one. You understand? Your husband go they use you till the boss far side. You lose sexy to your husband, We men, may we they try to lose sexy to our husband, because that's when I see it's a public disgrace. May we they try. This nowadays, many art women they find where they won't put their hair so. May we they dress well. If our husband serious, they will smile. If they see us for fast self, they will smile. Honey, how you doing today? I'm fine. You see, everything go well. May we try to secure our marriage. Very important, Besides, say may women they dress sexy. Wait, I use and say mean. For inside, you will dress sexy to your husband. If you won't go outside, you will not as you will take dress as married woman. You will dress better dressing. Not be you go dress as all those people when they hunt. I don't want to use the words for here. You will dress maturedly, respectful. 2, wetin dey cause problem for marriage home. No be every day, every time you go dey trouble the man, every time quarrel, you go cause am. All those things still dey break home. E still dey break home. Make we try to bring peace. Even if say your husband talk to you, just keep quiet. No be the one wey you go dey talk 100, you don talk 1, you go talk 20. E no make sense. That one is still dey break home. Make we try to keep our home. After the man don calm down, you go meet am say, honey, wetin na everyday quarrel. Make we stop. Make we act maturely. Even if say na the man na him wrong, apologize to him. Say, honey, I'm sorry. No be everyday quarrel. Because quarrel not good for us at all. E no dey bring joy, e no dey bring anything, e no dey make person go forward. You talk to your husband in a matured way. And that thing, if your husband still hear am, make am go outside, because quarrel still dey make man go outside, go look for, pino. They will still go outside, go look pino. The reason say, if I dey talk, my wife dey talk back. This woman, no get respect. E will make am go outside, far, go dey chop, go dey, I no wan call the name, May we try to dey loyal to our husband.